You know, I get asked a lot of questions, and one of them kind of pertains to what just happened today. And so that question is, when do you know when to get out? When do you get out? Well, for me, everybody's a little bit different, but for me, I either, it either hits my stop loss or it hits my profit target. That is about 75% of the time. The other 25% of the time, what I find is that by watching the markets on a daily basis, you don't have to watch it all day long because I'm a swing trader and I watch the daily chart. So, I can go on about my life without sitting in front of a computer all day. Um, so, on that note, this market in the pound to the Swiss franc, and today is August 19th, we took this from an uptrend pullback right here. And, you can see the uptrend, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we had an engulfing candle that came out from it. Somewhere we got in somewhere in here, and we were in this market for almost 2 months. Well, it hit our first profit target about a week and a half ago, but it closed above that target. And so we wanted to see if it would go up to our second target, which was somewhere up here. And in so doing, so, moved for a week and a half, pretty much to the upside here. And then this morning, when I logged on early this morning, I saw that the market was developing this red engulfing candle right here. And so as I see that, I look straight down to momentum, which is going to be my key. Volume will come into play here in a moment. But with momentum, the VMS 2.0 is momentum is a big part of it. And so I'm seeing a divergent momentum here that was already hooked right here based on this one. Okay, but this one wasn't an engulfing candle, so I didn't get excited about that. I was getting excited about this, but not that. And so then when I got on this morning and I saw the bearish engulfing candle starting to develop, it could certainly go the other way, but starting to develop and seeing that the hook now is getting potentially deeper, that's when I said, yeah, I'll go ahead and take target one, which is still a 2.2 R. And so we took that and got out. So I just wanted to show you that example. Again, I'll just say it one more time. Profit target is what we're looking for our target. That happens most of the time. Stop loss is going to happen also. And so those are the two ways that you get out. Once you get into this thing, once you take once you take a trade, then stick with that trade. There's a reason why I put my profit target up here, and there's a reason why I put my stop loss here. So I let the trade play out. But if I see something that is directly against, this is technically a VMS trade. If it wasn't in an uptrend, you would be looking for that. If this was on a downtrend, I'd be seriously looking at this. You got a 94 on momentum on a daily chart right now. So that's really strong down. There's a lot of bears in this one. Okay, that's all I got for you guys. If you have any more questions, just feel free to post them. I'll do my best to get to you as quickly as possible. Have a great day.